I also commend our operating units for our recent accomplishments against economic crimes. From June 13 to 19, coordinated anti-smuggling operations conducted in Llano del Sur, Sulu, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay, Zamboanga del Norte, Davao Oriental, and Cotabato resulted in the confiscation of more than 100 million pesos worth of smuggled cigarettes and the arrest of individuals involved in illegal trade activities. These successful operations protected the nation's financial interests, safeguarded legitimate businesses, disrupted criminal networks, and reinforced our commitment to uphold the rule of law through intelligence-driven and focused police operations.